In June of 2007, in Santa Rosa, California, two 15-year-old girls found Adam, an 8-week-old feral kitten, allegedly doused him in accelerant and set him on fire. An 11-year-old boy playing nearby heard the girls laughing, saw smoke and flames, and heard the cat crying. He found Adam cowering in some nearby bushes with third-degree burns covering 45% of his body. He rescued Adam from certain death and later identified the perpetrators, who were charged with felony animal cruelty in Sonoma County Juvenile Court.
Well, hi, my name is Tina Wright, and I'm the lead nurse here at Animal Hospital of Cotati. And this is Adam. Adam had 60% of his body burned. His ears were burnt. His tail was burnt off and fractured. 60% of his back area was burnt. His rectal area was completely burned off. He had 8 skin graft surgeries, 1 ear surgery, and a tail amputation surgery. And he came through them all with flying colors. And Dr. Alexander, in large part, is to be given full credit for that, because if it wasn't for her great surgical technique, I don't think that he would have been able to go through all that.
Lisa Alexander. I'm a veterinary surgeon here in Rohnert Park, California. The big thing for Adam is that he had, his entire back from the base of his neck all the way down, including his tail, was completely gone and down over the sides of both hips. So he really had a lot of damage and a huge area to try and cover up with skin again.
When Adam was injured, it was an amazing outpouring of love and concern for how people could help. And we kept saying, look to your own communities, look where you can help in your own community. This is one example of granted, a horrific situation, but there's different levels of this type of situation in all of our communities, in all of our cities and states. And so we told them, look to your own communities. Put your time and effort where you live. He signifies what goes on out there, but put it where you live. And a lot of people did. They adopted cats from their local shelters instead of going and buying cats. They donated money to local charities having to do with animal welfare. And so overall, even though Adam had to go through a lot, I think he served to help a lot of animals in need.
The Animal Legal Defense Fund created National Justice for Animals Week to honor those people who have made a difference for animals in their communities, including law enforcement personnel, prosecutors, and people like the 11-year-old boy who saved Adam.
Take time to look around. We can take time to take part in organizations that help animal welfare and help animals in need. And it's important to show during different weeks, different events, show people by taking part, show people by getting involved.
I think anything that highlights, like the National Justice for Animals Week, anything that highlights the plight of those little animals and people's responsibility to report cruelty, I think really is a wonderful thing.
As part of National Justice for Animals Week, the Animal Legal Defense Fund is calling on everyone who cares about animals to get involved in your own community. Just like the boy who stepped in and rescued Adam the cat, we ask that any time you witness animal abuse, you take an action to get an animal to safety or to make sure that that animal is taken care of. Some other actions you can take generally are to contact your local prosecutor and let them know you take animal crime seriously and want to see them prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. You can also contact your legislators and let them know that you care about any bills that affect animals that are in the legislature and you want to see stronger animal protection laws passed. And finally, you can go to our website, www.aldf.org, where we have a host of resources available to anyone who wants to get involved and help animals.
I think it's really important to, speak your mind for animals that can't speak for themselves.
Take part in National Justice for Animals Week. Show our legislators how important it is to take care of these little guys. Show them how important they are to all of us. And more importantly, get involved.